Hi my friends. Do you want make your Windows 10 looks like this? This is macOS. Look at these features. See how the folders are looking. It's really amazing theme. So let me show to how you can make your Windows 10 look like macOS. Okay, at first we need to create a restoration point. Click on Start and search Create a Restore Point. Click to open. Here when you find protection off you have to select Configure. You see the Disable System option, select Turn on System Protection. Apply and then OK. Now it's on, click on Create. Enter any name and then click on Create. Creating a restore will start. Done. Now we have successfully created the restore point. In case of anything we can return back. Next you need to download macOS for Windows 10 from the link in description and the password in the video. First open Patch. Here right-click to install Theme Tool. Select Run as Administrator. On this menu select Hook System Settings and HUD Login UI. Click on Install. Here you see this, which means we have to restart the computer. Click on Yes to restart. After restarting, open the downloaded files. Open Theme. Now open this PC and click to open Drive C. Open Windows folder. Move down to find Resource folder. Open Themes. Now copy all these files to the theme folder. Click on Continue. Done. Now move back and open Theme Tool. This time here select BIP3 Mac. Click on Patch and Apply. Move back. Open Explorer. Open Old New Explorer. Open this. Now select these two options. Down here remove Show Status Bar. After that click on Install. OK, again move back to the folder. Open Taskbar. Right-click to run as administrator. Click on Install for me. Done. Now click on Configure Start Back Now. Click on this option. Now locate where you stored your downloaded folder. Open the folder. Now select this file. Here it is, select and tap on OK. Now you see the Start button is visible. Open the folder again. Open macOS cursors. Right-click on this and select Install. Now move down to the Task menu. Search Mouse Settings. Click to open. Now here click on Additional Mouse Options. Click on Pointers. Select Big Sur. Apply and OK. Done. Again, open the folder. Open macOS icons. Right-click and run this as administrator. Click on As a Custom Pack. Again, locate the folder. Select this file. Now click on Start Patching. Here click on Yes to start the process. After you have to reboot your computer, click Yes to reboot. After rebooting, you will see this message that system has been patched successfully. Here, when I open this PC, you will see Mac icons on the drives. Amazing! Open the folder again. Even the folders has been changed. Click to open left-sider. Right-click to open. Right-click to run as administrator. Now remove all these quick access toolbar. Right-click on Taskbar. Select Taskbar Settings. Click to enable these options. Right-click and select Lock Taskbar. Move the taskbar up. Now click it again. Open the folder again. Open on macOS dock icons. Copy this files to drive C. Right-click to install this. Click on I agree to the license's terms and conditions. Install. Now restart your computer for the effects to take place. After restarting, open the downloaded files again. Double-click to open My Dock. Good. Now copy this file. Paste it to drive C. Copy all the files from this folder and paste it into My Dock. Replace all the files. Done. Here you can see the macOS dock. You can look at the taskbar of macOS. It's looking so good and amazing. Now move down and right-click on this dock. Select Preferences. Here you can select Dark. It's amazing and interesting. Now select Advanced. Tap on this and OK. Now look at the dock bar. It's as the same as for macOS. Here in Preference, I can reduce the size of the dock as in macOS. So that's how you can turn your Windows 10 to macOS. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out videos like this on. Have a nice time.